Hello everyone, I'm here to give you guys an update about the equity markets, investments, what's happening in our financial system. And as far as I can tell you this, it's just getting pretty more and more obvious, the schemes of Wall Street. I am quite delighted to see that a lot of these recent events with GameStop and AMC is really starting to backfire against the crony Wall Street establishment. However, I also want to keep in mind that when Robinhood came out about 2-3 years ago, I didn't really trust them at all. They told us, oh, it's a commission-free trading app, and you can see really behind a lot of the manipulation that's taking place. So I believe there's going to be a lot of investigation with Robinhood. You look at Reddit, you look at just how insane this really is. As far as GameStop concerned, I'm not bullish. I'm not getting in. I'm not getting into Robinhood or AMC. So we're going to see this thing really start to shake down. And as you can see here, the futures, which started out negative, it's already going into the green territory. If you look at Bitcoin, it has increased sharply over the last several months. I am looking personally for a major pullback, probably much larger than this. I do not have any assets in Bitcoin, and I was pretty suspicious about it several years ago. You look at the NASDAQ 100. Let's take a look at the chart. This is a 5-year chart. As you can see here, it's gone up tremendously in the last several months. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a pullback, certainly about 10%, 15%. But once again, as of 2021, with the way things are going on, the earnings, the situation with the economy, fiscal flows, a lot of these different factors, I am bullish in the NASDAQ. And I have been bullish for several years, although it was hard for me to see the 2020 March crash. But nevertheless, we have to look at earnings and we have to look at mortgage rates, because once again, if these mortgage rates start to come up, we're going to see negative effects in the real estate market, along with these rent freezes, these forbearances are beginning to end, and that's going to disrupt the financial system. So we can see real estate, depending on these programs, depending on the rates, it's going to peak later this year or next year, and then this can really affect the stock markets several months down the road, and a possibility of a 2022 or 2023 major crash. Although again, it all depends on the outcome. You could see here the Treasury yields, they're starting to come back up. These are really signs that things are starting to turn over. As far as silver concerned, now I want to make this very clear. I'm not a gold bug. I'm not calling for hyperinflation. I am not bullish on the US dollar. I wouldn't be surprised to see if metals continue to go higher, but I'm not going to be like Peter Schiff or Mike Maloney or Robert Kiyosaki or Jim Rogers saying, oh, well, the dollar's just going to collapse, buy gold, crap is going to hit the fan. I've done a number of videos exposing these people. So as far as I know, for now, I'm going to be remaining in the general stock market. All right, everybody, if you like the videos that we have, please share and subscribe. I'm going to have more updates definitely to come.